Namaste. Myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics, JVN, Rajasthan. Today's topic is exercise program. What are exercise program? Exercise programs are designed to promote general health and well-being and are also used for physical rehabilitation and development. They include a variety of different parts such as strengthening, mobilizing, stretching, and aerobic exercises. The therapist can create a personalized program for you patient depending on patient's goals. Now, what are the benefits of exercise programs? There are a number of positive outcomes from completing an exercise program, including promoting a faster recovery from an injury or operation or any conditions, improving the strength of muscles, increasing muscle length, improving the efficiency of heart and lungs, reducing pain, helping with sleep problems, improving overall fitness levels, creating a more positive outlook, helping with balance and coordination, improving self-confidence, increasing mobility. Now, what will be included in exercise program? After a full assessment, therapist will work with patient to decide on main aims to personalize patient's exercise program. This may include any of the following components, that is strengthening, mobilizing, stretching, pain management, muscle control, functional exercises, sport specific exercises, balance and proprioception exercises. For certain complex conditions, the therapist may utilize other specialist components to exercise program. Who will benefit from an exercise program? Therapist can design a program for anyone. Exercise programs are commonly designed for the following reason. These are pain relief, loss of function, loss of mobility, stiffness, weakness, maintaining general fitness, preparation for an event, depression, anxiety, stress. How will an exercise program help? Exercise can bring about a number of benefits due to the following reasons. These are increases the size and strength of muscle fiber, increases the strength of bones, tendons and ligaments, promotes the healing process and breaks down scar tissue, increase the length of ligament, tendon and muscles, increase the blood supply delivered to muscles, reduces pain, decreases swelling, promotes well-being, promotes normal movement, relaxes muscles. Now, what is personal exercise program? Exercise is an important part of treating and preventing pain. Pain may increase if patient move incorrectly or do not exercise. Lack of physical activity can lead to stiffness and muscle weakness, which can make pain worse. Poor posture is also a common cause of pain, especially back and neck pain. Back and neck pain is often caused by sitting, standing, or lying in a poor position for a long period or repeated bending and twisting for a long time. Therapists understand that each individual is unique, so the personal exercise program will be suited to specific problems. Personal exercise program will help reduce pain by focusing on correcting posture in sitting, standing or lying, by increasing muscle strength, by improving joint range of movement, by enhancing cardiovascular fitness, by improving mood and sense of well-being, increasing independence with everyday and recreational activities. Therapists are experienced and prescribe a range of exercises for people with pain. The personal exercise program will be developed between patient and therapist and tailored to needs and lifestyle of patient. This will ensure that patient get the most out of treatment and continue to make long-term improvements. Personal exercise program may include teaching correct posture at home or at work in different positions, exercises to increase muscle strength and flexibility. Therapists will use a combination of mobilizing, strengthening, and stretching exercises for the best possible results. The type of exercises prescribed by therapists will depend on the individual pain and which part of the body it affects. Advice about how to pace activity so that patient do not do too much or too little. Advice about pain control. And last, hydrotherapy to relax stiff muscles and joints and to maximize strength and flexibility. Therapist will try to keep patient as active as possible in order to reduce pain and allow patient to carry on with the activities enjoy the most. Thank you.